Question number 27. X in parenthesis x plus 1 minus 56 is equal to 4x in parenthesis x minus 7. Okay. What is the sum of the solutions to the given equations? Whenever you see the word solutions, that means you have to find the values of the variable. So here the question is solve it, find the values of x, and whatever are the values of x, add all of this, and that is the answer which is required here. Okay, let's solve it first. Left hand side, this one. Here we can use the distributive property. Distributive property is that you have to multiply whatever is outside the parenthesis. You have to multiply with every term inside the parenthesis. So x times x is x squared plus 1 times x is x minus 56 is equal to 4x times x is 4x squared. 4x times negative 7 is negative 28x. Now I am flipping the terms, right? But even if you do not flip it, you are going to end up at the same equation. So it's fine if you do not flip, just try to make it equal to 0, because when we solve a quadratic equation, it should be of the form ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So now I am trying for this. So let's move all the terms on the left hand side. So subtract x squared, x, and add 56 on both sides. Do it here again, x squared, negative x, and plus 56. Okay, let's see what happens. So this is equal to cancelled, cancelled, cancelled. Right hand side is equal to 0. Now see, I have written the like terms one below the other. X squared below 4x squared, negative x below negative 28x, and 56 is the constant term. Let's say it's 0, so it's below that. So 4x squared minus x squared is 3x squared. Minus 28x or negative 28x, negative x is negative 29x. Plus 56 is equal to 0. So our equation is 3x squared minus 29x plus 56 is equal to 0. Now it is in the standard form. Now we can choose any method to solve it, by factoring, by quadratic formula, by completing the squares. I am solving by quadratic formula. So quadratic formula is values of x is equal to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now if you don't like, solving very long equations like this one, you have to do this and then this and then this and then denominator. So you can choose to solve b square minus 4ac first, right? You can solve it here, square root of this. So let's see what ABC is. If standard equation, quadratic equation is this one, and the equation we have is 3x squared minus 29x plus 56 is equal to 0. So A is 3, B is negative 29, and C is 56. So I'll place it here. So it's negative 29 whole squared minus 4 times 3 times 56. Okay, you can use the calculator. It's 169, and square root of 169 is 13. So now you can directly place 13 over here, and steps, equations will be very small and easy to see. So negative of negative 29 plus minus, now I know it's 13. 13 over 2 times 3. But if you are, very much comfortable with long steps, you can do it here directly. So that is totally your wish. So it's negative times negative is positive, 29 plus minus 13 by 6. Now these are two values, right? One is one is one is x is equal to 29 plus 13 by 6, and other one is 29 minus 13 by 6. Because there is a plus minus sign, so that means there are two equations. So, or you can write them separately, 29 by 6 plus 13 by 6, this is the first value, and 29 by 6 minus 13 by 6. Now what we have to do, we have to find the sum of these values. So 29 by 6 plus 13 by 6 is the first value, plus 29 by 6 minus 13 by 6 is the negative value. Because there is a positive sign inside, so these terms will be as it is. Now plus 13 by 6 and minus 13 by 6 cancelled. So we are left with 29 by 6 plus 29 by 6, right? Now because these two have that common denominator, or you can see if I do 4 plus 4, so what I can do, it's 2 times 4. So if you have two same terms and you are adding them, so that is actually multiplication. Repeated addition is multiplication. If I use that rule over here, so 29 by 6 plus 29 by 6, it's 2 times 29 by 6. If you want to solve it with the help of fractions, like how you solve the fractions or add the fractions, but this is just, I have shown you another way, that if two numbers are same, you can take this way, which is easier to calculate. So 2 3s are 6. So 29 by 3 is the sum of two values. Let's see what our question was. What is the sum of the solutions to the given equations? So sum to the solutions is 29 by